You know, every once in a while, a new technology comes along that changes everything. It doesn't just improve what came before, it redefines the landscape. It rewrites the rules, it shifts the way we think, work, and live. Artificial intelligence is that kind of revolution. And we're standing right at the edge of it. But AI is different. It's not just a tool, it's something that learns, it's something that adapts. It's something that, for the first time, starts to feel almost human. And that's what makes this moment so exciting and so important. So today, let's talk about AI. Where we are, where we're going, and how we as human beings can make sure we use this technology, not just to make our lives easier, but to make our lives better. Think about the first computers. They were massive. They filled entire rooms, and they were slow. But more than anything, they were just calculators. Tools to process numbers faster than a human ever could. Then something changed. We made them personal. We gave people access to a machine that could not only calculate, but create, write, design, communicate. The Macintosh was a breakthrough, not because of how powerful it was, but because of how human it felt. You didn't need a manual. You didn't need a degree in computer science. You could just sit down and create. And that's what technology should do. It should empower people. It should make them better. AI is the next evolution of that. But instead of just empowering people to create, it's starting to create with us. The fear and the promise of AI now. There are a lot of people who are scared of AI. And I get it. We've all seen the movies. The robots take over. Humanity gets wiped out. And the machines rule the world. But let's be real. AI isn't going to suddenly wake up one day and decide it doesn't need us. That's science fiction. The real question isn't whether AI will replace us. The real question is, how will we use AI to enhance what makes us human? Because AI, by itself, is just math. It doesn't feel, it doesn't dream, it doesn't imagine. That's what we do. But if we use it right, it can amplify our creativity. It can extend our abilities. It can free us from the repetitive, mundane tasks that slow us down so we can focus on what we do best, dreaming, innovating, and pushing the world forward. Imagine an artist. She has an idea, something incredible, something groundbreaking. But bringing that idea to life, that takes time. It takes effort. It takes overcoming 1,000 tiny obstacles just to get to the final vision. Now imagine that same artist, but with AI as her assistant. She describes her vision, and in seconds, AI generates a concept. It's not perfect, but it's a starting point. She tweaks it. She refines it. And suddenly, what used to take weeks takes minutes. That's not the future. That's happening right now. The best artists won't be replaced by AI, but the best artists who use AI, they will create things we've never even imagined. The same is true for writers, for filmmakers, for musicians. AI won't replace them, but it will give them tools to create at an entirely new level. And the truth is, some jobs will change. They always do. That's what happens with every major technological shift. But here's the thing, technology doesn't just take jobs away. It creates new ones. It opens up new possibilities. Think about the Industrial Revolution. Machines replaced a lot of manual labor, but they also created new industries, entire new ways of working. The internet did the same thing. It eliminated certain jobs, but it also created entirely new careers that didn't exist before. The same will happen with AI. The people who adapt, who learn how to work with AI instead of against it, will be the ones who thrive. Right now, education is one size fits all. Every student learns at the same pace, in the same way. But people aren't built like that. Everyone learns differently. Everyone has different strengths, different interests. AI can personalize learning. It can adapt to each student. It can provide instant feedback, real-time tutoring. Imagine a world where every student has a personal AI tutor, one that understands their needs, their struggles, their way of thinking. That's going to change everything. It's going to unlock potential in students in a way we've never seen before. AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or for harm. It can be used to spread knowledge, to unlock creativity, to push humanity forward. Creativity to push humanity forward. Or it can be used to manipulate, to deceive, to control. It's up to us to make sure we build AI that reflects the best of who we are. That means designing it with ethics in mind. That means making sure it's fair, unbiased, and used to empower people, not control them. We have to get this right, Beautifully. Because once AI is out there, it's not going away. AI isn't going to shape the future. We are. The best way to predict the future is to create it. And the people who embrace AI, who learn how to use it, who see it not as a threat, but as an opportunity, those are the people who will define the next era. So don't fear AI. Learn it, use it, shape it, because the future belongs to those who think differently. And that's what we do. So let's get to work.